Alright guys, Homestead Know How Life is Good. I'm gonna bring you another little project that we did. Once again, we used some wheelchair wheels from an old wheelchair. And all I did, I took the umbrella that we used to have leaned up over here, and I took and put two legs here, crossbar, and I bolted the wheel on using the bolt that come with the wheel. Put another short leg here. Yep. And then over here I done the same thing. Legs up, cross member, down the wheelchair. All you do is drill a hole in it. And I put this here to kind of give a little extra support because it's split right here and I didn't realize I'd already put it together. So I'll probably end up doing some kind of bracing right there.
Mr. Smalls.
Here's Mr. Smalls. So, and then over here I put another leg. So what this is for, not only does it provide cover and shade, but we can put feeder buckets under it. And I'm gonna make a couple more feeder buckets. And then you can take and move it without having to drag it and risk breaking it and things of that manner. So, just like this. So it'll rock back and forth on those two legs. And you can just turn it and push it kind of wherever you want. So that way, you know, when they eat and they're pooping, you can move it and you can keep the stuff in the shade. So yeah, so there it is. Homestead Know How Life is Good. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hope you have a blessed day.